Let's make chana masala in the Instant Pot. You have three choices for the chickpeas. You can soak them overnight in enough water to cover them, or you can use my Instant Pot quick soak method for soaking chickpeas or any other bean. It's really a great hack, and if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that one out. And the other choice is to use canned chickpeas, and when we add those, I'll give you some alternate instructions for using canned chickpeas. First, heat the Instant Pot in saute mode and add the vegetable oil. And once the oil is hot, add the cumin seeds and saute them briefly. You don't want them to burn, so just be careful and watch the temperature. If you need to, lift the inner pot out of the Instant Pot unit to prevent the burning. Immediately add the onion, garlic, and ginger and saute them until they're nice golden brown. This golden browning of the onion mixture is going to add a lot of flavor to this curry. So take your time, don't rush it. And if you need to, add a few tablespoons of water to deglaze the onions to keep them from sticking to the bottom. Once the onions are a deep golden brown, mix the tomato paste with some water and stir them into the onions. If you find that they're sticking to the bottom, make sure you add a little bit of water or broth to deglaze the Instant Pot. Now turn off saute mode and you'll cook the spices in the residual heat because you don't want to burn them. Add the coriander, turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder or cayenne pepper, paprika, fennel powder, salt, pepper, brown sugar. I like to add brown sugar to balance out the tartness of the tomatoes and the mango powder, which we'll add later. And stir all the spices together in the residual heat for about 15 to 20 seconds. Add water and the soaked chickpeas or the drained canned chickpeas. Stir all the ingredients together. Make sure there's nothing stuck on the bottom of the pot. Close the lid and pressure cook at high pressure for 35 minutes for soaked chickpeas or 5 minutes for canned chickpeas. Now, if you want to use dried, unsoaked chickpeas, then you can add those dried chickpeas to the Instant Pot at this stage and pressure cook for like 55 minutes. It can take even an hour. It just depends on how old the chickpeas are and how long they've been sitting on the shelf at the grocery store. So I would, just to be safe, try 55 minutes and they should be cooked by then. When you're all done, you're going to do a full natural release. Let the float valve drop on its own. Open the lid and add the fenugreek, the garam masala, and the amchur, which is the dried mango powder. If you can't find it, add a teaspoon of lemon juice or to taste. Stir everything together in saute mode. If you find that it's too liquidy, you can just reduce the liquid in saute mode until it's thick enough to your taste. Get all the details at paintthekitchenred.com.